Hello students, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is simultaneous equations. I hope you all have subscribed to my channel and you all liked my videos, and if you have still not subscribed, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. So simultaneous equations. So for example, so basically we will deal with linear equations. Linear equation means that the power of the variables must be 1. So no power of x, that means power is 1, y is also having power 1. So this is a linear equation, and we will have two equations always. So we have to solve these two equations. There are three methods by which we can solve these equations. So first is elimination by substitution, elimination by equating coefficient, and cross multiplication. So first exercise is based on this method, elimination by substitution. So this is your first exercise. Very first question we will solve by substitution method. So in this method, just we have to find the value of x or y from one equation, and we have to put that value, we have to substitute that value in the another equation. For example, from this is equation number 1, this is 2. So the most feasible value which I found, that is value of y, because it will take 2 as divisor, 2 in the denominator. So from here we can calculate the value of y. 4, this will minus 3x, and okay, we have find the value of y. Now we will put this value in the above equation. This is equation number 1, this is 2. So putting value of y in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 8x plus 5y. In place of y we will write 4 minus 3x upon 2, which is equal to 9. Now you can just solve this equation. 8x plus 5 into 4, 20, minus 15x upon 2 equal to 9. So take LCM as 2. So 8 2s are 16x plus 20 minus 15x is equal to 9. On cross multiply, this will become 9 2s are 18, and 16 minus 15 is x plus 20. So 16 minus 15 is x. So x value is 18 minus 20, which is equal to minus 2. So this is what we have done. We have find the value of any variable from any equation, but we have to put the value in the another equation. Suppose we have find the value of y from second equation. Now we will put this value in the first equation. If I have found the value from first equation, then I will have to put in the second equation only. Okay. After calculating the value of x, now put this value in any of the equation. So now you can put in any one equation. So for example, 3x plus is equal to 4. So in place of x I will write minus 2. So this is minus 6 plus 2y is equal to 4, or 2y is equal to 4 plus 6, y is equal to 10 upon 2, that is 5. So this is your answer. This is how we have to apply simultaneous equations, how we have to solve a simultaneous equation using elimination by substitution. So what we did, we just eliminate the variable y here. and then this lead to find the value of y. Remaining all questions is your homework. So just for example, fourth question, 0.2x 0.1y equal to 25. So just multiply 10 in the both equations. You can multiply it. If you multiply by 10, this will become 2x, this will become y, this will become 250. Same way 1160 16y, and so you can also solve it 20x minus 2. So उसे आप solve कर सकते हो. You can solve that. So remaining are all simple. Also in this equation you can solve by multiply both equations by 10. In this equation, first solve these equations. So for example, I will solve a little. So this is the ninth question. So first we have to make this as linear equation. So multiply this 2 into x, 2x minus 6 plus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y is equal to, so 6 plus 15 21. We will take that on it to the that side of the equal to, so it will become positive 21. Again this was your, now take it as equation number 1. Similarly solve this equation. 5x minus 5 plus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. So 5x plus 4y is equal to 21. Take it as equation number 2. Now find the value of any one variable and substitute this value in the second equation. Find value of x from here and put this value here. You will find your answer. Remaining part is your homework. So in the 10th question, this is your question. So what you can do, just take the LCM of 7 and 3. So LCM is 21, multiplying 21 to the both sides. So this will become 21 2x plus 1 upon 7 plus 21 12 into 21. So this will become 3, this will become 7, and you can multiply this. So 6x plus 3 735 y minus 21 is equal to okay, so 6x plus 35y, so take this to the that side of the equal to 21 3 18, उससे जाके ये ऐड हो जाएगा, so 270. In the same manner you have to solve, so ये equation बन गया आपकी. So in the same manner you have to solve the next equation. So here 2 and 9, so LCM will be 18, multiply 18 to the both sides. In the same way you have to try to solve the remaining questions. That is your homework. And if there is any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section, or you can also comment me or send the message in my WhatsApp number that you are having. Okay, thanks students. Hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. Thank you.